Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix battery drain after update on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, so you will see, so check battery draining apps. After check battery draining apps, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset. After click on reset and click on factory reset, click on reset and enter phone pin, click on continue and click on delete all. After click on delete all, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.